Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get free credit on Temu. So first of all, launch Temu application. Now, once you come to the app, make sure that you are logged on to your account. So in order to get free Temu credit without sending invitation link to your friends, you have to participate in certain games, contests, and even log in daily to your Temu account in order to get certain points and in order to earn certain credits. Now, another thing what you can do is you can simply tap on the option of cart that you see at the bottom of your screen. Now, after that, make sure that you have item on your cart. Then simply tap on checkout. Now, if you scroll down below, if you have certain credit on your Temu account, you'll see that option over here, and you simply would have to tap on the option of your rewards, and then you can use your Temu credit accordingly. So in my case, as I do not have Temu credit, I am not able to see this option here. Also, you can tap on the option of apply coupon code, and then you can surf through various web browsers and websites, and then you can get your Temu coupon code. You can simply enter that here and tap on apply so that you can get certain discounts on your purchase from Temu. So that's it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.